Good morning, everybody. Have a nice day and welcome to our Vimut Nivan Maga program. So we can say shortly VNM by shorting the Sinhalese words, the sentence. The meaning of that is the liberation path to the enlightenment. So we already started this program before two videos. Previously we have two videos and this is the third video. Actually these three videos including this video are participation of one whole stream. It is before we have phase 1 of this program, Vimut Nivan Maga or VNM phase 1, and this is VNM phase 2, and this is the English program of this stream. So in the second stream or the second season of VNM, we have Sinhalese videos as our previous program. This is our second program, English version. So we are trying to give this program is as a shadow of English Sinhalese program, because English program is more brief if we compare it with the Sinhalese program. However, we are trying to give all the ideas what we discussed in Sinhala program, we also try to give you in this program too. So actually I would like to introduce me. If someone who joined the program for the first time, I would like to introduce you as my name is Surat Chamara. I am from Sri Lanka and I am a Sri Lankan Sinhalese Buddhist, and we are following the Buddhism. The original form of Buddhism remain as the Theravada tradition in the world. So there are 5 Theravada Buddhist countries remain in the world until now. So Sri Lanka is the one of these countries, and it is the best country ever known to get understand the Buddhism, even including with other Theravada countries. So you will get the original form of Buddhism from Sri Lanka. So now turn to the program. In this program, we would like to give you, or we would like to present you a guidance to make a research about Buddhism. Why we make a research about Buddhism? Because everyone after they born to this world, they are seeking something. That is, they are seeking first in physical world and then they are seeking it in spiritual world. Because once they realize what they are seeking is not found in physical world, so they are turning to spiritual world. So in the middle age or in the maturity age, many people they are seeking that spirituality from religion. So this is the nature of human society. For this research, to do spiritual research, the best subject is philosophy. From the philosophy, you will get answer for your spiritual research. So, if you think about the philosophy, the Buddhism is the best ever known philosophy remain in the world as the answer for all your spiritual questions, spiritual problems. So that's why we recognize that and we experience that, then we are spreading the message of Buddhism around the world, and as a normal people, but we are following our spiritual teachers, as we told Bhikkhu Sanghas still, and we are respectfully following them, and we are introducing you also the Buddhism from this program, and we would like to give you a guidance how to do a spiritual research through this program. So the most precious things for us in our spiritual world, in the spiritual meaning in the world, the most precious things in the world for us are Tathagata Gautam Buddha and the teachings of him we call Dhamma, and the followers of Tathagata Buddha, Maha Sangharatna. So these are the 3 spiritual gems available in the world for all humankind. So we are introducing you the triple gems from this program, and we are giving you the guidance how to do a spiritual research in Buddhism through this program. So that's why the VNM, Vimut Nivan Maga, or the liberation path to enlightenment, is important to you. Now, from previous program, we introduced you the meaning of the program, and we introduced you the holy scriptures for us the holy scriptures of Buddhism, Theravada Tripitaka. So from this program today, we are going to explain you briefly about the three divisions of Tripitaka. The Tripitaka came to the world through the historical process. After Tathagata Buddha appeared in the world, he teach to his disciples, the Bhikkhu Sanghas, and then after his Parinibbana, or means after his passing away, the Bhikkhu Sanghas who gathered and they make doctrinal assembly and they prepared all the teachings they assembled as a Tripitaka. So the Tripitaka came to the world like this, and it has already 26 centuries throughout the history. It's passed to the history, so it is still available. There is some historical story behind the Tripitaka and how it come to the how it remain until now. Regarding these things, I would like to give you some tips more than this program, because this program we are going to giving you a guidance, but the whole research is depend on you. For the research you need to search from your resources, especially it's better from on if you research doing search about internet through online. There is Tripitaka also available in online, but before study Tripitaka, we would like to suggest you study the briefing of Tripitaka. So for that purpose, we already launched a Facebook page called the Doctrine page. It's now available in Facebook. So very easily you can find it by typing the Doctrine page. So the page will open in front of you. It will come to the search result in the top position. So you can open the page. You will start studying Tripitaka briefly from the first post to until the last post. There is also a Sinhala page also available as the Facebook Dhampituwa, but this program is for all English using people, so we are highlighting here the English page only. And we just inform you there is Sinhala page also available. This is for all Sri Lankans who are using Sinhala, and the English page for all Sri Lankans and non-Sri Lankan, all the foreign people, those who are wish to have a look or take advantage by doing a research in Buddhism. For all those, we are presenting this English page. Now let's come to our program again. Now the Tripitaka has three main divisions. One is discipline division, the first division. As we think how to study Tripitaka, the first division is discipline division. It's called all Pali or Sinhala languages, the ancient languages, or the official language of Tripitaka is Pali. Then it was explained in our history, in Sri Lankan history, in Sinhalese. So this Pali and Sinhalese are the best and official languages for Tripitaka for today. So with this Tripitaka, we are going to start from Vinaya Pitaka, the discipline division. The second one is Abhidhamma Pitaka. It is the subtle doctrinal things included there, explained there. So this is the second part of Tripitaka is Abhidhamma Pitaka, and the third part is the formula part and the discord part. It called Sutra Pitaka. So these are the three divisions or three Pitaka, or the three divisions of Tripitaka, the Theravada Tripitaka. And these things, if you wish to study Tripitaka, you should start from discipline division and then go to subtle doctrine division and then the discord division. So the first part called discipline, and the second and third part called the second half is called doctrine. And the discipline and the doctrine is the main two pillars, we can say the pillars of Buddhism. The whole Buddhism is built on these two pillars, the discipline and the doctrine. So everything you can get from this Tripitaka. According to this structure, you can study Tripitaka and you can get the idea, and you can get the whole spiritual meaning in your research. So this is our guidance to you by introducing you this program as the guidance, and mentioning in this program the doctrine page, Facebook page. For a brief study of Tripitaka, you will get whole complete guidance how to study Tripitaka from this Facebook page. And also you can go to online Tripitaka available now in Wikipedia, Wikibooks, so you can start your research from there. So we encourage you from this program to start this and get a full complete research of Buddhism and get all the answers to all your spiritual questions remain in your heart. So we will meet again with our next program. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. I am Suraksha Amara. We'll meet you again in our this VNN Vimukti Nivan Maga, the Liberation Path to Enlightenment program. Thank you.